Dear children, this class we are going to discuss the activities of Unit 3, the Mother Tree. Activity 1. Choose the correct sentences and write under each pictures and number the events in order. You can see different pictures in page number 60. And first you want to write the correct sentences under each pictures, and after that you should number the events in correct order. The sentences are in correct order. You just take care of the numbers and put it in the given boxes correctly. You just remind the story. First, the birds are peeping out of the nest. Second one, the mother sparrow is plucking a bunch of cherries. Third one, the smoke is rising at a distance. Fourth one, the fire eating up the neem tree. Next, activity 4. Select the words from the box given below and complete the sentences. They are given the movements of different animals. You just identify the movements and fill in the blanks. The parrots are dash. Parrots are flying. Second one, the elephants are dash. The elephants are walking. Third one, the snake is dash. The snake is crawling. And fourth one, the monkeys are dash. The monkeys are jumping. Fifth one, the rabbit is dash. The rabbit is hopping. Dear children, would you like to know what happened to the forest after the fire? The days passed. It started to rain. The trees became taller and taller. The neem tree was again full of green leaves. Day by day, the leaves grew larger and larger. The vines crept higher and higher. The ponds are filled with water and became deeper and deeper. The little birds grew bigger and bigger. The birds and animals were happy thereafter. Clear? Next, activity 6. Look page number 66. The fire rose higher and higher. The hot flames reached near the nest. The little birds woke up. They looked out of the nest. Mother, mother, they cried aloud. But Mother Sparrow had not yet returned. The little birds were afraid. What did they think? Write the thoughts of the little birds. Now, what is the situation? The fire is coming up and the mother bird was not there. She went to the forest. So, the little birds are afraid. And what they thought in that time? Yes, mother is not here. We are in danger. Who will help us? The fire will eat us up. എന്താണ് അവർ തിങ്ക് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? മദർ ബേർഡ് അവരെ പ്രൊട്ടക്റ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ സ്ഥലത്തില്ല, അവർ അപകടത്തിൽപ്പെട്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ് അല്ലേ. ആ ഫ്ലെയിംസ് അവരുടെ അടുത്തേക്ക് വന്നുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. ദെൻ ഹൂ വിൽ ഹെൽപ്പ് അസ്? ആരാണ് ഞങ്ങളെ ഹെൽപ്പ് ചെയ്യുക? ദ ഫയർ വിൽ ഈറ്റ് അസ് അപ്പ്. ഫയർ ഞങ്ങളെ തിന്നുമോ എന്ന് അവർ ഭയപ്പെടുന്നു. ഓക്കെ. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ആക്ടിവിറ്റി 7. The wind went to call the clouds for help. What did he say to the clouds? What was the clouds' reply? Write the conversation between the wind and the cloud. This is the conversation between the wind and the cloud. Remind the situation. When the forest was caught by fire, the wind went to bring his friends. That conversation we want to write here. First, the wind calls his friends. Oh friends, please come with me. Then the cloud asks, where do you want me to come? Then the wind replied, to the forest. Then the cloud asks, what happened there? The wind replied, the fire is swallowing our forest. Then the wind asks, how can I help you? Then the wind requested, please rain. The sentences that had written in red color letters, that only you want to copy to your textbook. All other sentences are there in your textbook. Okay. Now let's study describing words. What are describing words? These are the words that says the quality of something. The quality of a person, the quality of an action, the quality of a thing. ഒരു പേഴ്സൻ്റെയോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഒരു വെർബിൻ്റെയോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ എന്തെങ്കിലും ഒരു സാധനത്തിൻ്റെയോ ക്വാളിറ്റിയെ പറ്റി പറയാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്ക്രൈബിംഗ് വേർഡ്സ് യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഫോർ എക്സാമ്പിൾ, എ ക്യൂട്ട് ബേബി, വിച്ച് ഇസ് ദ ഡിസ്ക്രൈബിംഗ് വേർഡ് ഹിയർ? ക്യൂട്ട്. എ ബിഗ് ബോൾ, which is the describing word? Big. A beautiful flower, which is the describing word here? Beautiful. A fast bowler, which is the describing word here? Fast. So which are the words we used here for describing? Cute, big, beautiful, fast. Okay. So we are using the describing words for describing something, for describing the quality of something. Clear? Now let's study some simple question answers of that chapter. I know all of you familiar that chapter. Let's move. First question, who is called the mother tree? Who is called the mother tree? Yes, the neem tree. Second question, where do the mother sparrow went to fetch fruits? The forest. What did the mother bird found in the nice valley? Cherries. Who helped the mother tree? Dark clouds. What did the little birds see when they looked out of the nest? The bright sun. Is it? Once more. Who is called the mother tree? Yes, it is the neem tree. Where do the mother sparrow went to fetch fruits? Yes, the forest. What did the mother bird found in the nice valley? Yes, cherries. Who helped the mother tree? The dark clouds. What did the little birds see when they looked out of the nest? Yes, the bright sun. Clear? All of you study these question answers. Copy it to your notebook. Dear children, now are you ready to hear an interesting story? Take page number 69 and look at the pictures and listen my words. Okay, are you ready? The name of the story is Baby Bird. What's the name of the story? Baby Bird. One day, Manu and Ammu were playing near their house. Then they found a little bird in the ground. Manu took the bird into his house and he caged the bird. He kept the cage near the front window. Then the father bird and mother bird flew to the cage. Then the little birds are crying. The little bird was crying. So they become very sad. Why? Because they want to escape the bird. So they fly towards the cage. They thought for an idea. At last they got an idea. And the mother bird and father bird came with their friends. Then what they did? The birds flew up with the cage and they saw a rat hole near a bush. Then they kept the cage near the rat hole and said to the rat, "Please save our baby." The rat came out from the hole and what it did? The rat cut the cage with its sharp teeth. "Oh dear, we got you back." The birds became very happy. The little bird came out of the cage. It flew up. The birds thanked the rat and gave some cherries. understood this story? I hope all of you enjoyed the story and read this story one more time and enjoy. Here is a project work for you. In your textbook, page number 68. There given the pictures of some leaves. You want to identify the names of that leaves and write in the given column and draw the pictures of some other leaves and write their names. Okay? I think all of you will do it well. All of you should read the chapter at least 3 times and understand every context and study the order of events of this chapter and study all the activities. Now we are concluding this chapter. This is the last chapter of the first volume textbook. So let's meet with the revision chapter in the next class. All of you study well. Till then, take care. Thank you.